Today I'm going to be making this really simple cauliflower curry with coconut milk. It is absolutely delicious. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, it's vegan, it's tasty, it's spicy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in the center there I've got the cauliflower or the gobi. Cut it into fairly large little florets, you know. You can do it smaller if you want. I've got 400 ml of coconut milk, 1 cup of onions, about 3 tablespoons there, or a couple of tablespoons of fresh coriander or cilantro, whatever you call that. Fresh chili, entirely up to you how much you want to put in. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then here we've got 4 powders. We've got 2 teaspoons of coriander and chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder, by the way. And then half a teaspoon of garam masala powder and turmeric. Let's get to the cooker and get this beautiful, simple dish done. So we're going to start off with some oil that I'm heating up in there. I'm using the sunflower oil today. Use something different. Mustard oil could be nice, or coconut oil could be good. Here we go. A couple of teaspoons of cumin seeds into the hot oil. Let them do their thing. So 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and about 3 tablespoons of oil. We're now gonna add 1 cup of onion, which I've cut quite small, as you can see. We're on an above medium heat and we're gonna go for 3 minutes. Beautiful stuff. We're now gonna get in that tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, fresh chili to taste, salt. Then we're going to add our powders. So we've got 2 teaspoons of chili, coriander, and half a teaspoon there of garam masala powder and the turmeric. Keep this moving constantly now. We don't want the powders to burn. If they burn, they get bitter, which you don't want. Next up, we're going to get 400 ml of coconut milk. Water, maybe just a cup of water there. And then we're going to drop in our cauliflower. So there's probably 4 or 5 cups worth of cauliflower in total. So let this stay on a high heat. Once it kind of starts raging, drop it down to below medium and let it go for about 5 or 6 minutes. I mean, depending on how big or small you've cut your cauliflower. Very simple, delicious. Okay, off goes the heat here. That's a beautiful, beautiful color. Check the salt level. Cilantro, coriander. Little mix, job done, beautiful stuff. Job done, nice and easy that is, and beautiful. I hope you enjoy that. Please take time to leave me a comment. I do actually read your comments and get back to as many as I can. Give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, do the kind of algorithm thing for us. And I'll see you soon. Take it easy. Lots of love.